Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro device, and now I can show you how to show battery percentage or how to hide battery percentage on this device. Firstly, into Open Settings, then scroll down and find Notification and Status Bar. Here click Status Bar, and here you will see battery style, and here you can choose horizontal, vertical, loop, or don't show. In loop mode, as you can see, we have no battery percentage, and here you can click on this button to add battery percentage. Here you can choose vertical, without or with battery percentage, or horizontal, without battery percentage, or with battery percentage in the icon, or with, or outside the battery icon, or without battery percentage. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.